One of the most common questions I get is, can I use Amazon FBA as an individual seller? Yes, absolutely. But there's more to consider if you want to make the best decision for your business. Let's start with the basics. Amazon offers two types of seller accounts, individual and professional. This has nothing to do with whether you are a person or a registered business. It's about the fee structure and the features Amazon gives you access to. With the individual account, you pay 99 cents per item sold, no monthly fee. It's ideal if you're only planning to sell a handful of items each month. The professional account costs $39.99 per month, no matter how many items you sell, but you don't have to pay per item fee. If you are getting value from this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me grow this channel and brings even more free training to entrepreneurs like you. Now, something exciting. I'm holding a 5-day challenge called the 50-day sales challenge, where I will walk you through my exact process for finding products opportunity that consistently sell 50 or more units per day. These are not theories. They are the same research method have used to uncover products that have generated millions in revenue. And here's the truth. You can have great marketing, beautiful branding, all the bells and whistles, but if you are not selling something people actually want, you will always feel stuck. This challenge is small on purpose so I can work closely with everyone who joins. If it sounds like something that could move your business forward, check the link in the description or the comment to grab your spot before it fills up. And here is the best part. By the end of the 5 days, you will walk away with well-researched 10 to 25 curated products that you can launch immediately on Amazon, Shopify, or even TikTok Shop. All right, let's get back into it. Now you can use Amazon FBA with an individual account. Yes, you can still send inventory to Amazon's warehouse. You will get access to prime shipping, storage, packing, and customer service, just like a professional seller. But if you are thinking of starting an individual plan just to save money, there are some key limitations to understand, and they go far beyond this. If you plan to sell more than 40 items a month, the math automatically flips. At 41 items, you're already paying more in per sale fee than the professional plan would cost. But it's not just about the cost, it's about control, visibility, and growth potential. As an individual seller, you won't be able to run ads. Amazon advertising tools are how new sellers get visibility. Without ads, your product can get buried beneath pages of listings, no matter how good they are. You also won't have access to the buy box, which is where over 80% of Amazon purchases happen. Even with Amazon individual accounts, are far less likely to win that placement. Then there are the restrictions around what you can sell. Gated categories like grocery, health, or automotive are often more profitable but requires approval. Only professional sellers can apply to sell in those categories. You're also limited when it comes to listing your product as an individual seller. You are stuck uploading each product manually, while professional accounts let you bulk upload using templates and saving you hours if you are managing multiple listings. You won't be able to use third-party tools either. Repricing software, keyword tools, inventory management, all of those that require API access that is exclusive to professional sellers. Without those tools, you are essentially flying blind. And you also miss out on promotions like coupons and lightning deals. This feature helps drive traffic, especially during high demand seasons. Without them, it's harder to compete. And if you plan to grow your team, you can add other users to help manage your account. Professional sellers can delegate, individual sellers cannot. Even your inventory management is limited. You won't be able to use advanced feeds or restocking tools, which are essential for staying efficient and profitable over time. Both account types still pay referral fees, usually around 15% depending on the category, and you also pay standard FBA fees for storage and fulfillment. So either way, those base costs remain. Let me give you some real-world context. If you are selling 10 high-ticket items a month, maybe something like some collectibles at $200 each, that 99 cents might not feel like much. You are only paying $9.90 a month and can use that time to test the platform. But if you plan to sell everyday items, say 50 units of a $25 product, you'll be paying nearly $50 a month in fees and with the individual plan. Meanwhile, the professional plan would cost less and you get all the extra tools to help you grow. So what are the actual pros of the individual plans? Well, it's easy to start, no monthly commitment, great if you are testing the waters, listing a few personal items, or just curious. You still get prime eligibility and you can upgrade later without losing your listings. But that is where the pros stop. It costs more once you start selling consistently. You can't run ads, can't scale efficiently. You are locked out of features that help drive real growth. The professional plan gives you everything the individual plan doesn't. You can advertise, win the buy box more often, and access gated categories. You can bulk upload listings, use automation tools, run promos, manage inventory, and collaborate with a team. It's a full toolkit. Yes, it's $39.99 a month. But if advertising helps you move just to extra 25 products, the plan pays for itself, and the features you unlock can make a night and day difference in your ability to scale your business. Now, let's clear up a few concerns. You do not need to be a registered business to open a professional account. You can sign up as an individual. You can use personal bank account. Amazon just need your tax details and ID for verification. Also, you can upgrade from individual to a professional anytime without losing any listing, review, or history. Just go into your account setting in the Seller Central and switch over. The process takes just a few clicks. For sellers using FBA, Professional also unlocks tools like Amazon Revenue Calculator, that's the FBA calculator, to compare profit margins between self-fulfillment and FBA. You get better insight into storage fees or how to avoid long-term charges, and professional account receive priority support and access to seller forums where you can learn from more experienced sellers. And here's the reality. Amazon is getting more competitive by the day. Without access to key tools, and without ways to optimize, individual sellers are at a huge disadvantage. If $39.99 monthly fee feels like a stretch, think of it as a business investment. Most serious sellers invest 20 to 30% of their revenue into growth, ads, tools, support. The professional plan is just a small piece of that puzzle. So yes, you can use Amazon FBA as an individual seller, but if you are serious about building something sustainable and profitable, the professional account is the smarter move. Start with the right tools, learn the platform, position yourself for long-term success and growth from day one. Are you still deciding between the two? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments and I'll help guide you through what's the best for your situation.